Bicolandia. It's me again, Rick Puerte, and together with me is Jasper Abante at kami po ang makakasama nyo sa bakbakang ACC Green Serpents versus the Ateneo Golden Knights Seniors Edition. This is the third game of our Sunday pack-up matchup this Bucal Season 6. Again, matutunghayan natin ang magandang bakbakan between these two great teams. So, i-recall lang natin ang ating standings on our Division 1. We have the Ateneo Golden Knights. 4-2 sila po ang number 1 spot on our Division 1. Meanwhile, the ACC Green Serpents is the number 3 with 3-3 standing. So, a player or a team to watch out for this Bucal Season 6, this Adnu Golden Knights and the ACC Green Serpents.
All right, so we are live here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the third game of this Sunday packed action. And our lovely ladies na makakasama natin on the court side, we have Liz in the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, and of course Precious Garcia on the side naman of the ACC Green Serpents. Ayan, live na live din tayo ngayon via Bucal Facebook page and also to Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. Siyempre via One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon. So ayun na nga, magandang laban ang matutunghayan natin ngayon for sure. Pasabog na please ang ipapakita nitong dalawang koponan na ito. We have the ACC Green Serpents all the way from Tabaco City, Albay. And of course, ang ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Ayan, abangan natin kung ano yung mga prepare nilang performances para sa atin ngayong hapon. Alright, so to hear an update from the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, let's check in our courtside reporter Liz na ready na para bigyan tayo ng update. Liz, take it away.
In a realm where strength and strategy slam, the two powerhouse teams collide for a reason. A high-flying afternoon, Bicolandia. We are here live at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for another game day of Bucal Season 6. I am your courtside correspondent, Lizine Habala, reporting from the bench of the blue and gold Ateneo Golden Knights. The intensity is palpable as the ACC Green Serpents and the Ateneo Golden Knights go head-to-head for the second time around this season. Since the Knights have claimed victory during their first encounter, we will see if the ACC Green Serpents can strike back with the stakes higher than ever. And now, according to the head coach of the Ateneo Golden Knights, Coach Nuki Sabio, sipag, tiyaga at determinasyon lang ang kanilang puhunan. And of course, with an aim to be the victorious side this time. With that, the question remains, will the Ateneo Golden Knights remain dominant or will the ACC Green Serpents rise to the challenge? Let us witness the next chapter of this electrifying season unfold only here on One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Bucal Season 6 for Future Rise.
Thank you so much, Liz, on that update from the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Ayan na nga at abangan natin kung paano ba gagamitin itong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights yung kanilang puhunan dito na sipag, tiyaga at determinasyon according sa kanilang head coach, Coach Nuki Sabio. And magandang laban ang inaabangan natin ngayon, Rick, as we are about to start our ball game, as our officials is now introducing the first five for both of these teams.
Ayan, talagang aabangan natin ang magandang performance na pinaghandaan nitong Ateneo Golden Knights. Kaya ba nila ulit talunin on this second time itong ACC Green Serpents? Yan ang ating aabangan. Meanwhile, on the other side of things, let's call our courtside reporter Precious to give us an update sa side ng Green Serpents. Hi Precious, take it away.
Marahay na daw, Bicolandia. Muling nagbabalik sa hardcourt ng Liga ng mga Kampiyon para sa kapanapanabik na tagisan ng husay at talino. This is Bucal Season 6 Basketball Seniors, the battle for glory between the Ateneo Knights versus the ACC Green Serpents. Baon ng kanilang malakas na pagkakaisa. The ACC Green Serpents are all set to grind towards the last buzzer with a high-flying victory. Ngayong hapon ay matutunghayan natin kung ano nga ba ang kanilang adjustments. This is Precious Garcia, your courtside correspondent from the bench of the ACC Green Serpents. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Precious, for that update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Ayan na nga, at ano rin yung kailangan nating abangan dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents dahil as you can all remember, yung laban nila kontra sa UNC Greyhounds dun sa natitirang 81 milliseconds and Bena Obra finishing that with that 3 points. Tingnan natin ngayon kung ano yung game changer or yung pasabog na plays na ipapakita nila ngayon dito kontra ngayon dito sa ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights as we are about to start the tip-off.
Ayan, talagang kaabang-abang ang magiging labanan between the Golden Knights and the Green Serpents because I'm sure this ACC Green Serpents uhaw na makuha ang panalo and at the same time gustong makabawi on the side of this Ateneo Golden Knights kasi on their first encounter natalo nga dito ang kanilang kupunan and let's see kung may bounce back bang mangyayari or will the Ateneo Golden Knights continue their number 1 spot here para alagaan ang kanilang placement onto the finals. Let's see. Ayan, nagsisimula na ang ating bakbakan ng ACC Green Serpents with the ball possession.
No good in that first attempt now. Ateneo on that offense. Jersey number 10 hands it to Mac Tripolka. Now Mac Tripolka heavily guarded here by jersey number 4. Now Ateneo once again with 8 seconds to shoot. Now Mac Tripolka and a double foul agad ang natutunghayan natin dito. Grabe. Napakainit ng tagpo natin. Pagsisimula pa lang yan. Unang 40 seconds ng ating first quarter. 16 of Ateneo and 17 of the ACC Green Serpents. Natawagan agad dito ng double foul. Ayan, and as we can see dito sa ating venue, the Ateneo de Sta University Gymnasium, medyo kakaunti dito yung supporters ng ating ACC Green Serpents all the way from Tabaco City, Albay. For sure, Rick, nakatutok sila dito sa ating Facebook Live via Oragon Sports TV. Kaya maya-maya lamang ay isa-shoutout natin yan sila. Nagar lumilipad. Grabe, no? Ganda natin pa Nagar. Pero foul again coming from jersey number 11 of the Ateneo de Naga, of the ACC Green Serpents rather.
Now 9 minutes and 2 seconds remaining for our first quarter pero ang dami nang nangyari between these two teams. Now Mac Tripolka to inbound but a whistle coming from our referee. Turnover para dito sa Golden Knights. Ball possession will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Again, expect the unexpected for these both teams. Now Galvez fires for that 3 points, no good. Sino kaya ang makakakuha or makakadraw ng first blood dito sa ating larong ito? Another steal coming from the ACC Green Serpents. Nagar, heavily guarded by Tripolka.
Nagmamadali dito, jersey number 11 Buena Obra. First blood at 3 points pa nga ang first blood dito by jersey number 11 Kit Buena Obra. Grabe, nothing but the net agad. A clean basket coming from Buena Obra, putting up 3 points on the side of the ACC Green Serpents and a steal by Galvez. Nagmamadali Galvez. Parang may pupuntahan itong ating ACC Green Serpents, Rick. As we can see, first quarter pa lang pero yung kayod nila parang doble na. And ayun na nga Rick, sabi mo kanina, expect the unexpected. Now jersey number 70 Plaza, jersey number 16 Beltran. Now Tripolka, heavily guarded by jersey number 4 Basaysay. Now Tripolka nagmamadali rin, hindi nagpapigil using his left hand for that layup.
What a move coming from Tripolka and a great steal para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights jersey number 10.
Abrasaldo, but a steal here by John Nico Nagar. Nagmamadali John Nico Nagar now. Jersey number 4 Basaysay. But still a couple of turnovers here as we are on the 7 minutes and 20th second mark of this ball game. Jersey number 13, almost a 3 points but no good on that attempt. Now once again Kit Buena Obra hands it to John Nico Nagar. John Nico Nagar sinusung ang bantay, jersey number 15. No good on that 3 points attempt pero Once again, natawagan dito ng foul. Jersey number 13 na Pulgar of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights with 7 minutes on the game clock.
Now, ano kaya ang gagawin dito? Magandang opensa ng ating ACC and at the same time defense para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. And speaking of defense, still coming from jersey number 70 Plaza. And now, great move coming from the Golden Knights pero nabantayan dito ng Green Serpents.
Napalakas doon yung tira ni Tripulca and no good on that second chance attempt by jersey number 13 Pulgar. Now, Naga on that sideline inbound. Now, Benaobra hands it to Galvez. Benaobra stops and pops for 3 and that's good once again. Coming from Benaobra. Grabe.
Long 3 on Jasper coming from Benaobra.
Mainit na agad dito yung
Yes.
kamay ni Benaobra pero natawagan siya dito ng pushing foul. Grabe. 6 points lead ang hawak ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents now. Jersey number 5, Coderes, checked in change of Benaobra. Mukhang magpapalamig muna dito si Benaobra dahil napakainit na agad ng kamay niya. Now, let's see. Plaza, sinuong ang bantay, walang alinlangan, no hesitation. Putting up 2 points.
Good point conversion para dito sa Golden Knight but still 4-point lead ang hawak ng ating Green Serpents. Now Nagar fires for that 3. Nico Nagar. Walang sabit sa net. Napakalinas na 3 points.
Grabe. Now, Mon Aureliano, jersey number 55 and the offense. Looking for his teammates, jersey number 16, hands it to Plaza. Now, once again, Mon Aureliano.
What a move coming from Aureliano on that last sequence, forcing that one in. I think that's gonna be part of their highlights. Now 6-11 on our scoreboard. ACC Green Serpents no good on that 3-point attempt. Now Plaza itatawid ang bola para sa side ng Golden Knights.
Once again, Plaza has it once again to Mon Aureliano. Well, kailangan bantayan itong ating ACC Green Serpents itong si Mon Aureliano dahil ayun na nga, maganda rin yung slashing nito ni Mon Aureliano pero this time jersey number 16 Beltran getting that 2 points. Grabe. Once again, ACC Green Serpents Bron. Now jersey number 5 hands it to Nico Nagar. Galvez for that mid-range and that's good.
Grabe, tansyado ang court para dito kay Galvez. Securing that point on their side. 13-8 on our scoreboard. 4 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. Let's see kung anong magandang bawi pa ang mabibigay dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. And the ball will remain on their side. Last ball touch ay mapupunta sa ACC. So the ball will remain on the side of this Golden Knights squad.
Grabe. 5 puntos na kalamangan ng hawak ngayon dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now jersey number 18 checked in for the ACC Green Serpents. Coronejo in change of Bron. Now, Mon Aureliano for that baseline inbound. Now, Pulgar. No hesitation pero napalakas doon yung tira ni Pulgar. Now, once again on the corner. Medyo nahihirapan ditong umupensa itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Pero, a steal here by Coderes. And a whistle coming from our referee. Natawagan nga dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 14 of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, Monay. Now, jersey number 61, Domingo, checking in for the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights with 4 minutes and 1 second dito sa ating first quarter. Now, Galvez hands it to Coderes. Once again, Galvez fires for 3. No good on that attempt. Now, Nico Nagar. Well guarded Nico Nagar pero a missed opportunity. Nabitawan doon yung bola ni Galvez resulting to out of bounds as the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights will take that ball possession. Now Now jersey number 26 nagmamadali dito. Valle, well guarded by Nagar. Now jersey number 16 hands it to 26. 61 Domingo, almost a teardrop shot, pero hindi doon pumayag si jersey number 26 Valle na hindi sila makaka-convert dito ng puntos. Pero this time, 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay Valle after that foul committed by jersey number 18 Coronejo. And a good opportunity here para naman maidikit yung kanilang kalamangan dito. And that's good for that first attempt by Valle. With the Ateneo community doing their signature taas kamay during the free throws of the Golden Knights.
So down to 3 ang kailangang habulin dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Nico Nagar, itatawid ang bola para si ACC. Coderes fires for that 3, too short for that. Now, Valle, itatawid ang bola for the Golden Knights. And a turnover on the side of the Golden Knights. So chance again for the Green Serpents here to add their score.
Now Galvez once again for the ACC Green Serpents. Galvez fires for 3 and that's good! Nothing but the net once again coming from Galvez. Clean basket and 3 points ang idadagdag dito sa kanilang kalamangan. Now Valle with the whistle coming from Ref Bonanong. Natawagan nga dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 7 of the Green Serpents, Beltran. Ayan at penalty situation na tayo on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Well, they have to take care of avoiding fouls. Kailangan nila mag-ingat dito sa fouls dahil point conversion ang mangyayari dito. Dahil they are on the penalty situation. And that's good for that second attempt by Valle.
Now chance for the Green Serpents here para matagdagan ang 5 puntos na hawak nilang kalamangan. Now Galvez looking for his teammate. Beltran may hawak ng bola. Passing the ball to Nagar. Heavily guarded here by jersey number 14 on the side of the Golden Knights.
What an assist! Pero sayang yun. Another missed opportunities dito sa dynamic duo ng ACC Green Serpents, Galvez and Nagar. Now Valle on the offense for the Golden Knights. Now to 16, fires for 3. Almost in and out ball coming from jersey number 16, Beltran. Ayun at natawagan nga dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 5.
Now Valle on the free throw line for another opportunity.
Grabe, pangatlong free throw na ata ito ni Valle dito sa ating first quarter. A good opportunity on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights since they are trailing here to 5 points. Pero ngayon binawasan na yan ng 1 puntos ni Valle with 1 minute and 59 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Now Nagar for the ACC Green Serpents. Now handing it to Galvez. Galvez, well guarded Galvez, triple team Galvez. Pero a steal coming from jersey number 16, Beltran. Now to jersey number 14, slips away. Pero nakuha dyan yung bola ni Valle. Almost an alley-oop play coming from Domingo, pero may kasabay na whistle. Ayan, that is not counted dahil natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 6, Nagar of the ACC Green Serpents. Ayan, this time Rick, si Domingo naman yung titira dito ng free throw on the side of the Golden Knights.
Napakagandang recovery on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. They are forcing the ACC Green Serpents to commit a lot of violations. That's why nagkakaroon sila ng magandang free throw opportunity. And by that means, 3 points na lamang po ang hinahabol dito ng Golden Knights. 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining for our first quarter. And still, ACC Green Serpents is on the penalty side. May baba na nga dito sa 2 puntos ang kailangang habulin ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Bron ibabalik dito sa loob ng court. Nagar may hawak ng bola. Beltran to Bron. They're taking their time here. No good for the 3-point attempt. The ball will stay on the side of the Green Serpents. Bron with the ball. Tries for that. No good. Rebound on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Valle. At matatawagan nga dito ng foul si jersey number 18 on the side of the Green Serpents. That's why again Jasper Valle. At dito ulit sa ating free throw line for an opportunity. Nakakailang free throw shots na itong si Valle.
Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, Rick, ika-4 na free throw na to or ika-5 nitong si Valle. Grabe, akalain mo yon from 8 points lead na idikit na dito ni Valle sa isang puntos and a chance to deadlock everything dito sa ating first quarter with 52 seconds remaining. Grabe. At ayun na nga, naipantay na dito ni Valle. Now ACC Green Serpents on the offense. Nagar hands it to Bron. Now Bron, jersey number 18, Cornejo. Now Cornejo fires for 3. Almost a 3 points, but Mon Aureliano managed to get that defensive rebound. Now Domingo with almost a slam, almost a dunk. Let's take a look at it once again. Ating first quarter.
Ateneo showing height and might para dito sa ating first quarter. And yun nga, nabaliktad na nga ang ating scoreboard. The lead is on the side of the Golden Knights. 19-16, 20 seconds remaining.
A second differential dito sa ating shot clock and sa game clock. Once again, Nagar on the offense. With 8 seconds to shoot for the ACC Green Serpents. Bron, double team Bron. Now jersey number 18. And a foul. Grabe. Naibaba nila dito sa isang segundo yung ating game clock. A good opportunity for the Ateneo de Sta Golden Knights. Nagar for long 3. Almost a long 3, pero dyan na nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. 3 points lead of the Ateneo de Sta Golden Knights. Dyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second quarter only here on Uragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
are back here sa loob ng Adnu Gymnasium for our second quarter matchup between the Golden Knights and the Green Serpents. So yun nga, Golden Knights, nakuha na nila ang kalamangan on that first quarter. Let's see dito sa pangalawang quarter kung magkakaroon pa sila ng magandang momentum or will the ACC Green Serpents turn the tables around. Yan ang aabangan natin dito. Now ba na obra, passing the ball to Naga, wala pa din. Now Mon Aureliano nadulas dito. But still coming from Nagar, nagmamadali, parang may pupuntahan. And using his right hand to finish that layup. 2 puntos naman ang idadagdag natin dito. Now, 1 point lead of the Golden Knights. Double team, pero still coming from Bron. Grabe. Back-to-back points coming from the ACC Green Serpents, and that forces the Ateneo de Sta Golden Knights to call a timeout. Grabe. Mukhang effective, Rick, yung ginawa nilang game plan and strategies doon sa end of the quarter break natin. Now, 2019, nabalik ulit ang kalamangan sa side ng ACC Green Serpents.
Alright, so we'll see kung ano yung gagawin nila ditong adjustments dahil change of favor agad tayo dito sa unang 41 seconds ng ating second quarter. Ayan, at magandang pagsisimula. A good start for the ACC Green Serpents. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Let's hear it from Precious. Alright, so Precious, anong update natin dyan?
Yes, Rick and Jasper, natunghayan nga natin na maraming baon adjustments ang ating ACC Green Serpents ngayong hapon. As the crowd goes wild, nananatiling malakas ang kamandag ng ating ACC Green Serpents against the Ateneo Knights. Kaya ating pakatutukan kung ano pa nga ba ang kanilang ipapamalas ngayong hapon. This is your courtside correspondent from the ACC Green Serpents. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Precious, for that update. So yun nga, talagang nararamdaman dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights ang kamandag ng ACC Green Serpents. That's why abante dito ang kanilang kupunan. 22-19 on our scoreboard. Napakagandang simula para dito sa Green Serpents sa pagpasok ng ating second quarter. Let's see kung ano ang magiging adjustment on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, because ACC Green Serpents talagang umaarangkada dito ngayong hapon na ito. And speaking of the Ateneo Golden Knights, let's call our courtside reporter Liz to take the microphone and give us an update sa side ng kanilang grupo. Now, Liz, balita mo yan.
Rick and Jasper, we are now on the second quarter of the game. During the first quarter, the Ateneo Golden Knights struggled to find their rhythm, leading to missed shots and turnovers. They also find themselves trailing the ACC Green Serpents and in need of immediate adjustments. However, talaga namang bumawi ang Golden Knights during the second half of the first quarter at nakuha nila ang kalamangan sa una nating laro. During the huddle, the coaches reminded them that every possession counts and always be strategic in order to dominate the succeeding quarters. That's it for the latest happenings here at the courtside. Back to you, Rick and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Liz, on that update from the side of the Ateneo de Sta Golden Knights. And as we can see, patuloy na ditong na-maintain yung momentum ng ating ACC Green Serpents with that 3 points lead, and Bron standing on the free throw line for his free throws. Grabe. Effective talaga, Rick, yung ginawa nilang plan and strategies doon sa pagtatapos ng ating first quarter. Pero let's see kung ano namang bawi yung gagawin dito ng ating Golden Knights, since ayun na nga, di ba, napatawag sila ng timeout. And abangan natin if how do they will manage the pressure na nasa kanila. Now, Mon Aureliano with that pass to Plaza.
Ayan, according to head coach of the Ateneo, sabi nga ni Liz dito, every ball possession counts, so they should maximize it But right now, ACC Green Serpents, Nico Nagar, and the rest of the squad talagang umiinit. And
Galvez! Nakakagulat naman tong si Galvez. Putting up 3 points on the side of the Green Serpents. Nothing but the net once again. Naitakas na nga nila dito sa 6 na puntos. Grabe. Yung mga hindi mo akalain na tira, Rick. Nangyayari na dito yung sinabi mo kaninang expect the unexpected. Grabe. Now jersey number 7, Beltran checked in for the ACC Green Serpents in change of Bona Obra. Grabe. Once again, Mac Tripolka for that sideline inbound. Now jersey number 16, Beltran to Plaza. Plaza spins, pass it to Tripolka. Now Tripolka double team. Pero medyo naging agresibo na doon yung defense ang ginawa ni jersey number 7, Beltran. Natawagan na siya doon ng pushing foul. With 7 minutes and 12 seconds on the game clock. Once again, Tripolka for that inbound. Now 16, no good on that 3 points attempt. Nagar. After that defensive rebound, nagmamadali ngayong maipasok ang bola. Now Nagar hands it to jersey number 4, Coderes. Basaysay rather. But tumama dito sa paa ni Plaza yung bola, causing the ACC Green Serpents to take that ball possession. Napakahigpit ng labanan natin, Rick. Ayaw magbigay ng puntos ng dalawang koponan. Now Galvez hands it to jersey number 7, Beltran. Galvez once again fires for 3. No good. Pero may bawi dito si Bron. Once again Galvez. Jersey number 4, Basaysay rather. Now Bron stops and pops for 3, but no good on that attempt by Bron. Now Tripolka. Here comes Tripolka. Hands it to jersey number 13, Fulgar. Abrasaldo stops. Now Tripolka stops for that mid-range jumper, and that's good. Courtesy of Mac Tripolka of the Golden Knights. Nothing but the basket trend.
Beltran heavily guarded here. Now Galvez, may hawak ng bola. Passing the ball to Nagar. Fires for that long 3 in and out ball. No good. Now rebound para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights Plaza. Itatawid ang bola. Heavily guarded by Galvez. And Basaysay, but a whistle coming from our referee. So Basaysay matatawagan dito ng foul sa side ng ACC Green Serpents.
Grabe. Now Tripolka hands it to Fulgar. With 5 minutes and 35 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Now Plaza, a good ball rotation for the Ateneo Golden Knights, and medyo napamali doon yung dribble ni Tripolka. Now Galvez after the defensive rebound by jersey number 7, Beltran. Now Galvez hands it to Beltran. Now Bron with 10 seconds to shoot for the ACC Green Serpents 3-pointer. No good on that 3-pointer by Galvez. Palitan ng bola, pero wala pang magandang puntos ang nanggagaling sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Well, a good defense shown by our ACC Green Serpents and also ang ating Golden Knights. Now Fulgar stops, thinks, and pass it to Plaza. Plaza guarded here by Coderes. Basaysay rather. Medyo nalilito ako dito kay Basaysay at Coderes. Parehas kasi silang mabilis. And isang numero lang yung pagitan nila sa kanilang jersey number. But now the ball will still remain on the side of the Golden Knights. A man-to-man defense. Now on the corner, jersey number 10 for the Golden Knights. Now Tripolka, heavily guarded here by Galvez. No good on that attempt. Now Galvez, nagmamadali Bron. Lumampas pa nga dito si Bron pero nandun si jersey number 4 Basaysay getting that 2 points. Grabe talaga. Napakagandang team chemistry ang pinapakita dito ng ating mga players, but at this point natawagan dito ng foul itong si jersey number 4 Basaysay of the Green Serpents, sending jersey number 16 rather Beltran on the free throw line for his 2 free throws. Ayan, mag-shoutout muna tayo dito sa mga nanonood sa ating Facebook Live coverage via Oragon Sports TV. Nandito si Sir Mark Christian Amante. Ayan, happy viewing po, sir, and we miss you.
And now, Poderes itatawid ang bola. Galvez passing the ball to his teammate. Great steal coming from the Adnu Golden Knights. Pero no good para doon kay Valle. Now Beltran itatawid ang bola para sa side ng Green Serpents. Poderes looking for his teammate. 15 seconds to shoot para dito sa Green Serpents.
Now on the corner, jersey number 14. Now Poderes, no good on that 3-point attempt. Pero may bawi doon si jersey number 18. Napakagandang bawi by Coronejo. Now baseline inbound by jersey number 26 Valle. Now to 14 Monay. Well guarded Monay here by Beltran. Pero a steal coming from jersey number 5 Poderes, nagmamadali and out of bounds as the same ball possession pa rin tayo dito for the ACC Green Serpents. And ayun na nga, napatawag na dito ng timeout ang side ng ACC Green Serpents with 8 points lead ang hawak nila dito. Ayan, for the meantime, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga and Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Santa Isabel, Department of Agriculture Bucal, and of course BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang number 1. Syempre, Bucal coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. We also have here the Bucal sponsors: Bigs Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions. Maraming salamat po. And now we're back dito sa ating ball game as jersey number 7 rather Beltran for that baseline inbound. Now to jersey number 5 Coderes. Nakabawi na dun si Coderes dun sa kanyang mess 3 points. Now Coderes getting that 3 points.
Now Ateneo Golden Knights on the offense. They really need to score at this moment because medyo lumalaki na dito ang hawak na kalamangan ng ating ACC Green Serpents, and another turnover para dito sa Golden Knights. Now Beltran to inbound.
Ayun, at napatawag na nga dito ng timeout ang ating Ateneo de Sta Golden Knights courtesy of head coach Nuki Sabio. Ayan, we'll see kung ano yung adjustments na gagawin nila dito dahil after that timeout called by the ACC Green Serpents, nakapuntos agad sila doon ng 3 points courtesy of Coderes. And this time, tingnan naman natin yung mga adjustments na gagawin nitong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. As you can see, snapshots on your screen ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. There is si Coach Gab De Vera and Sir Mark Vasquez. Ayan.
(34-23) on our scoreboard. Ayaw ng bitawan ang kalamangang hawak ng ACC Green Serpents. So let's see after this timeout kung makakahabol ba or makakabawi itong Ateneo Golden Knights with the remaining time of 2 minutes and 38 seconds para sa ating first half.
Now let's see as we are back dito sa ating ball game. Coderes once again for the ACC Green Serpents. Now jersey number 14. Di diretso Coderes once again getting that 3 points. What a good bounce. Grabe. From the ring to the board or to the glass. Going back to the net. 3 points coming from Coderes once again. And out of bounds as the ACC Green Serpents taking that ball possession once again. Now jersey number 5 Coderes. But a block coming from Mon Aureliano. Now Beltran inbounded the ball to Coderes. Now Coderes. Good ball rotation for the ACC Green Serpents. Coderes once again stops and pops for 3! Tatlong sunod-sunod na yan, Rick. 3 points coming from Coderes of the ACC Green Serpents. 9 points na agad yung kanyang contribution dito sa ACC Green Serpents na Mon Aureliano on the offense for the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. And the same ball possession pa rin dito dahil natawagan siya ng black and foul si jersey number 14. Let's take a look once again dito sa ating replay, Rick. Now Beltran with that inbound to Coderes. Pero nagpakita sila dito ng good ball rotation to jersey number 18. Pero Coderes pa rin yung pinili. Nothing but the net once again. And as we can see dito, Mon Aureliano standing on the free throw line for his 2 free throws. Now Jan Laiko Niangar checking in for the ACC Green Serpents in change of Coderes.
ACC Green Serpents with the ball possession. Jersey number 14 looking for his teammate, heavily guarded here. 5 seconds to shoot para sa Green Serpents. Shot clock violation and a traveling violation para dito sa ACC Green Serpents.
Siyempre, Rick, traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Now, Mon Aureliano after that sideline inbound. Jersey number 21 of the Golden Knights. Now 26 volley fires for 3. No good on that 3 points attempt. Now Jan Nico Nagar makes for 3 and hands it to jersey number 14. Now jersey number 18 didiretso, makukuha yung 2 points na yan using that glass, finishing that layup. Grabe, patuloy na pagpuntos dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Almost a steal, but a foul coming from jersey number 7, Beltran.
Now Mon Aureliano stepping on the free throw line to add their score here. Kailangan nilang bumawi dito sa natitirang 28 seconds para at least magkaroon sila ng magandang momentum pagpasok ng ating second half. Now first attempt was good. Let's see, one more time. 2 shots was good para dito kay Mon Arellano. Now, 25 seconds remaining for our first half. Nagar may hawak ng bola, heavily guarded here. Passing the ball to Corneo. 8 seconds to shoot para dito sa ACC Green Serpents. And napakaganda ulit na layup ang bibitawan para dito sa ating laro nito sa side ng ACC Green Serpents. And that's the end of our first half, 44-27, a big gap. Ginawa ito ng ACC Green Serpents at magbabalik kami for our second half only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, bitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Ay natagbabalik na nga po kami dito sa Ateneo de Sta University Gymnasium for our second half. Bakbakan ng Ateneo de Sta Golden Knights and of course ng ating ACC Green Serpents with that 17 points lead na hawak ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Alright, now Mon Aureliano for that sideline inbound. Now to Plaza.
Ayan, ball possession ng Green Serpents.
Now, jersey number 11, Buena Obra, pero natapik yun doon ni Mon Aureliano. Therefore, Kit Buena Obra will be getting that 2 free throws. Magandang pagsisimula ng ating second half for the ACC Green Serpents. That's good for that first attempt by Buena Obra. Once again,
and now ball possession ng Golden Knights. Mac Tripulca to inbound. Passing the ball to Mon Aureliano. What a tight defense showing para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents, but Fulcar makakakuha ng point conversion. If you're on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, kailangang doblehin ang effort para magkaroon ng opensa at depensa itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights, and a great steal coming from Mac Tripulca, and a foul was called on Bron para sa last play na yon. Now, Mac Tripulca again, inbounding the ball. Plaza, itatawid ang bola. Back-to-back points para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Is this a good sign for their team para magkaroon ng magandang runs and momentums dito sa pagsisimula ng ating third quarter? Now Galvez to Basaysay, fires for that 3 and Basaysay hindi hahayaang makadikit itong Ateneo Golden Knights sa kanilang score. Now let's see kung magiging maganda ba ang third quarter na ito for the ACC Green Serpents. And right on cue, what a great steal and a great point conversion. And to hear an update sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights, let's call our courtside reporter Liz para maghatid ng magandang impormasyon. Ipato mo na yan, Liz.
Rick and Jasper, we are now on the second half of the game. The second quarter may not be the best quarter for the Golden Knights, but now they are back fiercer and stronger. The Ateneo Golden Knights should play as a team. They also need to have a proper communication and stay focused to lessen the double-digit lead. And now, they plan to dominate the second half of the game by sticking to their game plan, defending the ball and defending the basket. Now, they are ready to play the triangle and half-court man. Ika nga nila, there's still time to turn the tide and mount a comeback. So let's see kung mababawi nila ang kalamangan ng ACC Green Serpents. That's it for the latest happenings here at the side. Back to you, Rick and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Liz, for that update from the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. And ayun na nga, abangan natin kung paano i-dominate nitong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights yung ating second half. And sabi dito ng ating courtside reporter, kailangan lang nilang paigtingin yung kanilang good communication and they must stick to their game plan, which is mas higpitan yung kanilang depensa and do that half-court man defense. Ayun, at abangan natin yan on the side of the Golden Knights with 20 points lead of the ACC Green Serpents, pero nasa kanila ngayon ang bola. Now, Mac Tripol, Kahadzi to Mon Aureliano. Once again, Mon Aureliano nagmamadali. Pero this time, humingi na muna tayo ng update on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Precious para bigyan tayo ng update. Alright, so Precious, take it away.
Yes, Rick and Jasper, we can all feel the thick tension here sa hardcourt ng Ateneo Gymnasium as every action becomes more intense. Dahil nga, hindi na mapagod ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Their head coach once again reminded them of their respective rules. Mata sa bola, strategiya para sa depensa. The hunger of the Green ACC Serpents are undeniably hissing. With their threatening venom, the pressure remains on. Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Precious, on that update from the side naman ng ating dominant team this ball game, the ACC Green Serpents. And ayun na nga, their head coach, Coach Rainier, reminded them their strategies, yung kanilang kailangang gawin and tandaan. Dahil ayun na nga, na-mention din ng ating courtside reporter na walang kapagod-pagod itang ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, their head coach reminded them na to keep their eyes on the ball and syempre, gumawa ng strategies para mas mapaigting yung kanilang depensa. Now, as we can see, Mac Tripolka with that assist to jersey number 13. Pero natawagan dito ng offensive foul itong si Fulgar. Now turnover tayo dito on the side of the ACC Green Serpents with jersey number 7 Madridano checking in for the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Now jersey number 5 Coderes for that sideline inbound. Now to John Nico Nagar. As we are on the 6th minute mark of this quarter. Now Bron nagmamadali on the corner. Coderes once again to Bron. Now Coderes to Basaysay. Well guarded Basaysay by Mon Aureliano. Pero nakapasok dito si Basaysay. Coming short. And naubusan na sila dito ng shot clock. Ayan, turnover tayo dito on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin nilang bawi dito since double digit pa rin yung kalamangan dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, Mac Trepolka to John Christopher Plaza. Now, jersey number 16, Beltran. 16, Sinoong ang bantay. Pero basket count, sabayan pa yan ng foul, Rick. Let's take a look at it once again. Jersey number 16, Beltran. Sinoong dyan yung kanyang bantay. Pero basket count, may kasabay pa yung foul. Now, Beltran standing on the free throw line for his 3 points play opportunity. And that's good for that 3 points play opportunity by Beltran.
Now, Nagar, itatawid ang bola on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Nagkakaroon ng magandang palitan ng puntos between these two teams. Now, 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa ACC Green Serpents. Nagar heavily guarded by Mon Arellano. No good on that 3-point attempt. Wala pa din dito sa ating Green Serpent side, and still coming from the Golden Knights squad. Mon Arellano passing the ball to the big man, but no good.
Now, John Nico Nagar nagmamadali. Stops and pass it to Basaysay. Now, once again, John Nico Nagar fakes for 3. Pero tres pa rin yung kanyang ginawa dito. Nothing but the net coming from Nagar. A clean 3 points. Now, on the offense, Plaza nagmamadali rin. Double team pa nga, pero he picks Mon Aureliano to finish that layup. Ayan, quick shoutout muna tayo dito sa mga nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live. Ann Fernie Galvez, John Mayor, Mark Quijano, Clint Sabue, Mark Belbis, and Justin Regala. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. Now, Basaysay for the ACC Green Serpents, well guarded by JC Plaza. Now, jersey number 5, Poderes. And naubusan sila dito ng shot clock. Well, Coderes is unaware of the shot clock. Hindi niya doon namalayan, Rick, na paubos na pala yung kanilang shot clock doon. With 3 minutes and 49 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter.
And now, Aureliano to inbound, passing the ball to his teammate, and the second chance point was good para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights, slowly but surely para dito sa araw na ito. Now, Nagar, anong gagawin dito? A great steal one more time for the Golden Knights. What a great hustle coming from Mon Arellano. Let's take a look at that replay.
Mon Aureliano nagmamadali. Sinoong dyan? Si jersey number 18. That is...
And now, he's stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity para madagdagan ulit dito ang kanilang score. 56-44 in favor on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Ayan, 3 minutes and 24 seconds na lamang ang natitira dito sa ating third quarter. Ano kaya ang gagawin ditong paghabol ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights?
Now, John Nico Nagar for the ACC Green Serpents. Well guarded here by Mon Aureliano. Now, Coronejo hands it once again to Nagar. Nagar well guarded by Mon Aureliano. Nagar didiretso! Grabe. Parang may pupuntahan talaga tong si Nagar pag siya'y gumagalaw na. And that's good for that layup coming from Nagar. Pero a steal coming from jersey number 10, Abiera. Grabe. Back-to-back 2 points from the ACC Green Serpents. Now, jersey number 10 of the Golden Knights naman, Abrasaldo. Nagmamadali rin Abrasaldo, pero no good on that attempt by Abrasaldo. Now, a save, but Nagar gets the ball. Nagar may kasabay ditong foul coming from jersey number 6. 55 rather. That is Mon Aureliano. Ayan, at makakakuha nga dito ng 2 free throws itong si John Nico Nagar. with 15 points lead of the ACC Green Serpents as we are down to the last 2 minutes and 30 seconds of our third quarter. Ayan. Siyempre, we would like to commend our media partners. We have the One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, headed by our station manager, Sir Jermin Jacob, our technical director, Engineer RJ Rebidorian, and Sir Kim Monteroso. Ayan. We also have the napakagandang production administrator of the One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. We have Ma'am Irene Tosok. And syempre yung mga napakasisipag nating cameramans. We have here Sir Jameson Brenya, Ma'am Janjan Basales, Ma'am Niela Berido, Sir Brian Tosok. Also to Sir James Gabarda. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And as we can see dito sa ating venue, jersey number 14. Monay standing on the free throw line. Ayan, belated happy birthday din kay Danilo Lorenzana Jr. A couple of turnovers. Jersey number 7 Beltran, sideline inbound that ball to jersey number 5 Cordera, stops and pops for 3, but no good on that 3 points. Now jersey number 61, grabe yung pag-secure niya doon ng bola. Talagang siguradong mapupunta sa kanila yung ball possession. Now 26 hands it to jersey number 14. Now Monay hands it to 28 for 3. Now gonna that 3 points attempt, but out of bounds as the ACC Green Serpents will take that ball possession. Now ACC Green Serpents once again on the offense, jersey number 5. What a pass, pero a steal coming from jersey number 26, Valle. Grabe. Now, pull-up jumper. No good. One minute and 7 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Coderes has it to Beltran. Now to jersey number 18, susuong ang bantay. Pero a steal coming from the Golden Knights, jersey number 26. Now to 61, Domingo. Mid-range jumper pero a block coming from jersey number 10 and a foul coming from jersey number 14, Monay. Grabe, pinigilan niya na doon si Beltran na makuha yung bola. With 40 seconds remaining and both teams are in penalty situation na. And now Beltran will be getting that 2 free throws after that foul committed by Monay. Once again, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Santa Isabel, Department of Agriculture, Bicol, and of course BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang number 1. Ayun, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta as Beltran getting his 2 free throws.
Chance for the Golden Knights here to score. 35 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Heavily guarded here. Napakalikot na depensa para dito sa ACC Green Serpents, but unfortunately out of bounds ball. So back to the Ateneo Golden Knights ball possession. Now Valle to inbound para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. They need to score at this moment. Now Golden Knights aims for that one. What a great block coming from the Green Serpent side. Now jersey number 14, maaagawan ng bola. Jersey number 4 passing the ball to jersey number 7 on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Grabe. Missed opportunities. Maraming missed opportunities coming from the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Diyan na po nagtatapos ang ating third quarter with 63-47 in favor of the ACC Green Serpents. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the fourth and final quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back here sa ating venue, the Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium, for our fourth and final quarter. Again, matchup between the Golden Knights and the Green Serpents. And now, this is the final stretch for both teams. Kung sino ang mananalo dito, magkakaroon ng one lose na makaka-add sa kanilang standing dito sa Division 1 ng Seniors Edition. Now, great 3-point shots coming from the side of this Green Serpent squad. Napakaaga naman para sa tres na iyon. Now, Tripulca heavily guarded here. Fulgar to Mon Arellano. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Adnu. Mon Arellano taking his time. And now, chance for the Green Serpents here to add their score. 66-47 on our scoreboard. Nagar taking his time and looking for his teammate. Bron to Basaysay. And a whistle foul coming from our referee. So, chance for the Golden Knights here to add their score. Gets their ball possession. Mon Arellano to inbound. Passing the ball to jersey number 16. Heavily guarded by Galvez. Fadeaway shot was good. What a great point conversion. And to hear an update sa side ng Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, let's call our courtside reporter Liz. Anong update dyan?
Bicolandia, we are now on the last quarter of this electrifying match. The game is slowly getting neck and neck with both teams showcasing their skills and determination. Sa bawat tira at bawat depensa, walang gustong magpatalo. Marami pang pwedeng mangyari at pwede pang makahabol ang Ateneo Golden Knights. Habang tumatakbo ang oras, ang bawat puntos at tira ay mahalaga. This time, in order to clinch the win, the Knights must hustle hard and play hard. That's it for the latest happenings here at the courtside. This is Nestin Habala, your courtside correspondent, reporting from the bench of the Blue and Gold Ateneo Golden Knights.
Thank you so much, Liz, for that update from the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. And as we can see, Our officials will be having a replay after that last sequence kung ano nga ba yung talagang nangyari doon. And ayun na nga na-mention ng ating courtside reporter na si Liz, in order for the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights to clinch this game, kailangan na nilang doblehin yung kanilang effort dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. As kung nakikita nyo dito sa Ateneo de Naga Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, Coach Nuki is concerned sa kanyang players, and kaya nagkaroon tayo dito ng officials challenge or replay kung ano nga ba talaga yung nangyari doon. But for now, as we can see, lamang pa rin po ng 14 points itong ating ACC Green Serpents. Ayan, at our officials is really taking care or sinisigurado nila na pantay, fair, equal yung ating labanan dito sa Bucal. And of course, yung safety ng ating mga players.
Ayan, Jasper, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga viewers. Shoutout dito kay Ann Fernie Rances Galvez, Maricon Bar de Abiog, Tin Salvante, Mikael Kenley Doblon, Nicole Zamudio, Amanda, at kay Pretty Courtside Reporter Lizlyn Habala. Maraming salamat po.
As we can see, marami-rami na yung ating supporters dito as we are down to the last quarter. The final quarter for this ball game. Ayan ang susunod na laban. Makakasama nyo po si Rick. Ayan, NCF Tigers and the UNC Greyhounds in the seniors division. Ayan, so let's hear a decision from our officials.
Yes. Let's wait kung anong magiging decisions dito ng ating officiating officials. So, mabibigyan dito ng unsportsmanlike foul ang isang player ng Ateneo Golden Knights, as we can see on that instant replay. Commotion inside the hard court. It's between the player of this Ateneo Golden Knights, jersey number 13 and jersey number 15 para sa ACC Green Serpents.
Ayun na nga, at natawagan doon ang unsportsmanlike foul itong si Fulgar after that holding foul committed by Bron. And nakita natin yung fist motion doon ni Fulgar. And buti na lang, Rick, hindi tumama. And to hear an update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Precious. All right, so Precious, take it away.
Yes, Rick and Jasper, we're down to the last quarter and the anticipation to discover whose team will reign supreme becomes thicker. The ACC Green Serpents' eyes were continuously set and focused on their defenses. Matutunghayan na natin kung kakayanin nga bang mapanatili ng ACC Green Serpents ang kanilang leading points ngayong hapon. Buckled up and stay tuned. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Precious, for that update. So ACC Green Serpents, again, I've mentioned it earlier, this is the final stretch for their team to snatch the win against the Ateneo Golden Knights na number 1 on the standing para sa Division 1. In case manalo dito ang ating ACC Green Serpents, sila na ang pangalawa sa ating standing. Meanwhile, pag nanalo ang Ateneo Golden Knights, still sila ang number 1 sa kanilang standings or division. Right now, nakikita natin na si Plaza heavily guarded here.
Now Fulgar with that spin. Hands it to jersey number 16. Now triple cut to 16, but a block coming from Galvez. Pero foul yon committed by Galvez. makakakuha dito ng 2 shots, 2 free throws. Itong si Oscar Beltran of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. And as we can see, the Ateneo community is doing their taas kamay motion. Now once again, Beltran getting that second attempt. And 17 points lead pa rin po ang hawak na kalamangan dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents as we are down to our 7th minute mark ng ating 4th and final quarter. Ayan, natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 70, Plaza of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights.
And now Galvez may hawak ng bola, taking their time, 10 seconds rather to shoot. And the ball will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Again, medyo mahaba-haba pa itong 6 minutes and 54 seconds para dito sa ating laro. So anything can happen. We cannot conclude yet kung sino ang makakakuha ng panalo this afternoon. Now, jersey number 16, may hawak ng bola para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Passing the ball to Tripulka. 5 seconds to shoot para dito sa Golden Knights. A dead ball, and the ball will remain on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights with 1 second remaining sa ating shot clock. Basket count para dito kay Plaza. And now, Galvez passing the ball to Basaysay. 15 seconds to shoot para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpent side. 3 points para kay Galvez at mapapasuntok pa nga sa hangin because why not? Adding 3 points to their score here is a big impact dito sa larong ito. And now, Ateneo with a point conversion 2. 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining.
Now,
sino kaya ang makakakuha dito, Jasper, ng panalo sa dalawang kuponan na ito? And the ACC Green Serpents patuloy na nagkakaroon ng magagandang play inside the Ateneo Gymnasium.
now Fulgar heavily guarded by Galvez. Now Plaza libreng-libre, fars for 3. No good that attempt by Plaza. Now Nagar, bantay sarado ni Mon Aureliano. Now Galvez fars up pero nakuha yan dyan ni Buena Obra. Now jersey number 6 Nagar with 7 seconds to shoot. Now Basaysay, no good on that attempt and out of bounds as the Golden Knights will take that ball possession. And a couple of substitutions here for both teams.
So I think talagang ang ACC Green Serpents, they're making sure na mapapasa kanila ang larong ito because binalik na dito yung mga starters ng kanilang kupunan. Now, Valle, itatawid ang bola on the side of the Golden Knight squad. Mon Aureliano, kailangan niya dito magkaroon ng clutch game if they want to win this game against the ACC Green Serpents. And what a nice point conversion.
Now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Nagar with 12 seconds to shoot. Now, Nagar looking for a good opportunity pero tinira ng 3. No good. Pero may bawi doon. Grabe. Simpleng tapik lang, Rick. What an assist coming from Coronejo.
And still coming from Galvez. So everything goes well para dito sa kupunan ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Ito na ba ang bounce back na hinahanap ng mga taga-Sorsogon? Uuwi ba ditong nakangiti ang kanilang team? Let's see. From Tabaco Albay rather.
And a traveling violation called to Valle of the Golden Knights. Syempre, Rick, traveling is more fun pa rin with Naga yon, Travel and Tours. Grabe, a crucial error as we are down to the last 3 minutes and 49 seconds of our fourth and final quarter. Now, Nico Nagar. Well guarded by Mon Aureliano. Itong si Nagar. Now, Galvez. Pero may foul dito. May whistle. Coming from jersey number 55, Mon Aureliano. Ayan at ball possession pa rin dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, Galvez, heavily guarded by Fulgar. Ayaw ng patawidin ni Fulgar itong si Galvez. Now, Galvez has it to Bonaobra, fires for 3 and that's good! A clean basket coming from Kit Bonaobra. Nothing but the net. Grabe.
What a nice 3 points coming from Bonaobra. And now, 80-59 on our scoreboard. 3 minuto na lamang po at 9 na segundo ang natitira para dito sa larong ito. Nagar, may hawak ng bola para dito sa ACC Green Serpents. 10 seconds to shoot. Galvez naman this time with 3 points, no good.
Now, ACC Green Serpents once again getting that steal. Bonaobra, lumabas pa nga. Pero no good on that 3 points attempt this time. Now, Nagar naman on the outside. Heavily guarded here by jersey number 28, Magno. Now, 1-on-1. Magno and Nagar. Nagar, didiretso. Almost getting that layup, pero no good this time. Now, Mon Aureliano putting up 2 points. Grabe, walang pag-alinlangan din itong si Mon Aureliano with that 19 points lead of the ACC Green Serpents as we are down to the last 2 minutes and 10 seconds ng ating ball game. Now, Galvez. That's it. Jersey number 4, Basaysay. A missed opportunity. Now, Mon Aureliano naman nagmamadali. Bantay sarado pa nga ni Galvez with last 1 minute and 55 seconds. At napatawag na nga dyan ng timeout ang ating ACC Green Serpents. And as we can see here, ano kaya yung gagawing adjustments ng ating officials and also yung ating players. And as we can see, magkakaroon tayo dito ng review or replay on that last sequence kung talagang may foul nakasabay doon itong si Mon Aureliano. And as we can see, nasabayan siya doon ni Galvez. Ayan.
Let's see and let's wait kung mayroon bang kasamang foul yung last sequence play ni Mon Aureliano because he's saying na meron daw foul. And let's wait. Ayan, pasalamatan natin ulit ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Converge ICT Solution, and this live streaming is powered by Converge FiberX. Ayan, let's wait for the decisions of our referees here kung ano ba ang nangyari during the last play na iyon ni Mon Aureliano together with Galvez.
And I think, Rick, may decision na itong ating official. So let's hear it from Ref Bonanong Chumakera Jr. Ayun na nga at natawagan dito ng technical foul itong si Nico Nagar for unsportsmanlike behavior. And as we can see dun sa ating replay, nagkabanggaan itong si Nagar and si Mon Aureliano. during that timeout issued by the ACC Green Serpents. And ayan na nga, nagawaran na dito ng technical free throw itong si Mon Aureliano with 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining. Now Nagar to Galvez. Now Galvez nagmamadali dito with Fulgar, tumatakbo now to Bonaobra.
One minute and 42 seconds remaining para dito sa matchup ng Green Serpents and Golden Knights. So if you're on the side of this Golden Knights squad, a little bit of pressure because medyo mahaba-haba pa itong hahabulin ng kanilang kupunan. Now 10 seconds to shoot. Galvez with the ball, heavily guarded by Fulgar. Forcing that one, no good. Mon Aureliano securing that rebound.
Mon Aureliano didiretso, walang pag-aalinlangan.
Napakagandang fast break play coming from the team captain of this Ateneo Golden Knights. Talagang never say die para dito kay Mon Aureliano. Now Basaysay.
Mamadali na itong mga players natin, Rick. Now Mon Aureliano once again on the offense. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Plaza! Almost. Grabe, sayang yun, Rick. Grabe, almost a back layup. Pero may kasabay naman ditong foul. Itong si Plaza.
Now, Nico Nagar to inbound para dito sa ACC Green Serpents. Bonaobra, itatawid ang bola down to our 1 minute para dito sa ating matchup na ito. Now, Galvez, 10 seconds to shoot.
Now Galvez stops, thinks, fires for 3, and that's good!
Talagang tinansya niya muna yon, Jasper.
Mga 3 segundo niyang tinansya yun, Rick.
Pero
lang,
pasok
mga 2
na
seconds
pasok.
lang.
Yeah. Pasok na pasok yung 3 points na yon. What a great 3 points shot coming from Galvez. You know what? Galvez, Basaysay, and Bonaobra together with Nagar. Itong 4 na ito, siguro nakailang tagti 3 points na ito para dito sa ACC Green Serpents. So, a team effort para sa ACC Green Serpents. What will be the adjustment on the side of this Ateneo Golden Knights squad?
Grabe. Once again, jersey number 23 getting that layup. That is Remoto.
So ayan, Jasper, intense na din ang players for both teams.
Especially Rick, 21 seconds na lamang yung natitira dito sa ating 4th and final quarter. 1 second differential dito sa ating shot clock and game clock. Grabe, lahat na mainit, Rick. Hype up na ang lahat with that lead of the ACC Green Serpents. Now Bron, medyo nagdahan-dahan na dito si Bron. Pero pinasapain kay Bonaobra, firing for 3.
No good.
And shot clock is off.
Yes.
Last 8 seconds. Now Plaza, hindi pa rin nagpapatigil dito Plaza. 4 seconds remaining.
May pahabol pa nga dito.
Ayan na nga, Rick. That's the end of our ball game. 83-70. 13 points lead of the ACC Green Serpents. Congratulations for both of these teams, lalong-lalo na sa ating Ateneo de Sta Golden Knights dahil binigyan din tayo ng napakagandang laban, a very good game and very close fight. Hindi rin talaga sila basta-basta bumitaw dito sa ating labanan, and that's it. That's the end of our ball game. Diyan lamang po kayo, tutok lamang dahil maya-maya lamang ay makikilala na natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us and be one of CAS.
And there you have it, basketball fans. Natunghayan natin ang nag-aalab na tagisan ng dalawang koponan, the Ateneo Golden Knights versus the ACC Green Serpents. Bucalandia, our best player of the game, is brought to you by Tigers Café located at Magsaysay, Naga City. With 17 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists, and 4 steals, let's all welcome our best player of the game, jersey number 6, John Nicol Nayar. Alright, congratulations, John, for being the best player of the game. Now, how do you feel that you are the best player of the game?
Masaya po kasi nakuha po namin yung panalo ulit sa loob ng halos isang buwan kaming talo eh. Kasi maba yung pahinga din namin. Tsaka masaya lang po kasi nagbubunga po yung practice namin. As in hard talaga, halos mamatay na kami sa training. Pero may purpose naman lahat ng ginagawa namin kung ba't kami napagod. Kaya nakita naman namin na maganda yung resulta po ng laro.
Nasabi mo nga na naging maganda ang resulta ng inyong laro. Now, what was your mindset all throughout this competition?
Gusto ko lang po i-prove palagi na kaya pa namin bumalik sa taas, na makabalik kami sa finals kasi once na natalo kami parang wala na sa aming naniniwala. Kahit dun sa amin, hindi na daw kami makakaabot sa finals. Kaya lagi kong pinoprove sa practice kahit pagod na ako, pinipilit ko pa mas mapagod pa kasi yun nga, konti na lang naniniwala sa amin pero kaming team namin, tsaka si Coach Alter na naniniwala pa na kaya pa namin makabalik sa finals.
Alright, despite the quantity, meron ka bang i-shoutout at pasasalamatan sa mga naniwala sa inyong team?
Una lang po ako kasi lahat ng ginagawa ko para kay God, saka sa family ko na i-prove ko din kila mother na kaya ko pa maglaro, na kaya ko pa mag-best player. Kaya pa namin manalo at sabi ko nga kay mami, pabalik ako sa finals, hindi ako uwi ng bayan hanggat di ako nananalo. Tsaka mabati ko na. Ibinabati po si mother na belated happy birthday. Sorry kung hindi ako umuwi, mami, na birthday mo kasi gusto ko talaga manalo at nag-training ako eh. Tsaka binabati ko si Brian Ronda na nasa US, salamat sa shoes. Tsaka kay Engineer Domingo Renales po, maraming salamat po. Tsaka sa mga tita ko nasa Pulangi. At sa mga teammates ko, syempre, lalo kay Coach Alter at kay Atty. Kopi po. Maraming salamat.
Alright, thank you so much and congratulations for being the best player of the game. Alright, Bicolanja, every action, space of hard work. This is Precious Garcia, your courtside correspondent from the bench of the ACC Green Serpents via One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Our Tigers Café player of the game is none other than jersey number 6, John Nico Nagar, with 17.6 rebounds, 2 assists, and 4 steals. Hatid sa atin yan ang ating courtside reporter na si Precious, and of course Tigers Café located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok from our first quarter up until dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Susunod na po ang bakbakan ng NCF Tigers and the UNC Greyhounds in the Seniors Division. Makakasama niyo dyan si Rick Puerta. Once again, I am Jasper Abante.
And I am Rick Puerta. Tutok lamang dito sa Bucal Season 6, live na live sa Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.